I'm just like all of you, find myself, midnight, can't sleep, what do? Instagram, you're scrolling it. And I found a fantastic post by Mr. Smoking Bell's Barbecue. It was a chicken parm smash burger. It looked too good not to try. So, sorry, I don't know your first name. Let me know it on the comments. It looks so good, I gotta try it. It might not be exactly the way you made it, but I'm gonna do my best. Let me show you guys how I like to do it. Now, I will say the title might be not quite right.
What?
Smash burger.
You beat me to it. I was going to ask.
You were?
I was going to say, is this actually a burger?
Smart guy over here. Go watch CJ's first cooking show where he cooks and he quotes and he's become a really great cook.
There you go.
Genuine compliment.
Thank you, sir.
Nothing else to say.
Okay.
You're welcome. World. I'm using ground chicken. Ground chicken, I don't often use ground chicken, but for a chicken patty, not burger, burger implies beef. Everything else is a patty. But smash patty doesn't sound as fun. It doesn't sound quite as good. So I've got ground chicken. Now, I would never do this to beef, but I am going to add a whole bunch of fun stuff. I'm going to start with some salt and some pepper. We do have to add a good bit of flavor to chicken. It doesn't have all that beef fat, hence not the burger. I'm going to add some of our tutto italiano as well. Be a little generous. Now, those are dried herbs. I'm going to get to my fresh herbs as well. I've got some flat leaf parsley and some basil. I'm going to chop those up pretty fine into the mix. Like, we're almost getting into like meatloaf territory, maybe even like chicken meatball, chicken ball territory, but trust me, you need the flavor. The last little thing I want to add is a bit of grated Parmesan. Now, we're winning. This is fantastic. Some of the other ingredients are going to complement everything in here, but what we want to do is mix all of this nice together, nice and even. Be sure to wear gloves. Ground chicken's no fun for anyone.
Nope.
We're gonna make 2 to 3 ounce meatballs, just like we do for smash burgers. We're gonna do the same thing with these chicken patties. Let's do the CJ Fraser maneuver here. If you don't know what it is, take your meatball, throw it down on your screaming hot griddle, let the meatball sit for like 15, 20, maybe 30 seconds. Then when you flip it onto the little slightly cooked side, when you smash it, it won't stick. And if it does stick, just use another spatula or get some parchment paper. Either way, we're gonna cook these just like smash burgers. Now, while those are cooking, let's get to our sauce. Crazy, crazy simple. 3 ingredients. You've probably seen me make this one before, but it's too good not to try. Mayo, sun-dried tomato spread, and lemon juice. That's all you need. You can do a touch of salt and pepper if you like, but this is just a gorgeous, simple sauce that it's really versatile too, but it works great with chicken. Once that first side of the chicken patty looks flawless and perfect, give it a flip. Now's where we're gonna start playing and having fun. I've got some Rayo's marinara right over the top. We're also gonna add some shredded mozzarella cheese. Now we're starting to look. It's starting to
come together
look like a chicken parmesan. This is fantastic. Dome it if you'd like to melt the cheese. I'm also gonna toast some ciabatta buns. I really like ciabatta for this because it's crusty and crunchy and really wonderful. I don't want a soft bun for this. I wanna elevate just a touch. So we're gonna toast those on both sides, just a little light toasting on the dome side. And then it's pretty much time to build. If you would like, you could garnish with some sliced tomato, but what I'm gonna do is take some of that gorgeous, stunning sauce on the bottom bun. I'm gonna go with a bit of arugula. If you haven't had arugula, it's a wonderful, peppery green. Big flavor. It's not just lettuce. It's actually lettuce that has a ton of flavor. I'm gonna add a bit of my sliced tomato, and look at this beauty. I mean, I hate not calling it a smash burger. It's a smash patty, a smash chicken patty.
But since you are honoring the creator,
I am honoring.
Honor by say.
We'll call it that. A little sauce on the top bun, and that's it. This is one of the, like, when you're scrolling through Instagram and you see a fantastic recipe, you know you just got to make it. That's what happened. That's what happened. If you haven't yet, go follow Smoking Bell's Barbecue, but I'm getting into this. This looks awesome. Oh, should have gotten a bread knife. Okay, now.
Oh, yeah. Oh, commit.
Yeah, just commit. Slap the wrist. Don't. Look at that, dude.
Oh, yeah.
Dang. Now that creamy mayo, I said it earlier, it's very versatile. I think that's gonna be start of the show with, dang. Smoking Bell's Barbecue, if you're watching, thank you. Thank you for the inspiration. Griddle Nation inspiration.
That's it.
Put that on a t-shirt, here we go. I'm gonna burn my face off. Ooh. Not beard friendly.
All the good ones aren't.
It tastes like chicken parmesan. This is weird. Wow. Wow. Yep. Mixing all your ingredients into the chicken, that's the money. The little bit of Parmesan, through the roof. Tutto Italiano. I mean,
It looks like a banger, bro.
and the pepperiness of the arugula really sets it off. This is awesome. So do that. Next time on Instagram, see something fun. Give it a go. Give it a go. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. I mean, I got nothing else to say.
There's nothing to say.
I should have made 3. I saw that in the comments recently. Should have made 3, 1 for Ethan, 1 for CJ, 1 for me. But, you know, it happens. Well, this is Cook Eat Repeat, where we like to help you become a better cook, one recipe at a time. I'm your host, Chef Nathan Lippy. We'll see all of you in the next episode. Oh, look at the gooey cheese right there. Oh.